Una do, how na dey for una side? Also na dey fine. I no wan hear say this oyibo is scatter my brain. Okay? Because we don't hear first one. We'll say second one, we not go hear say oyibo destroy my brain. Oyibo scatter my brain for my hand. Ijo oyibo scatter my brain for my hand. We'll say we no wan hear. Because most of una na the thing say, oh oyibo na oyibo. So oyibo the way be say black better pass. E dey, not be lie. Hope say you choose well now. Hope say you choose well because the one where be say that one choose your sister. It scatter a brain. Now the brain we still define since we never see sin, I never see correct. Hope say this one now is still there okay. Because there's someone that choose una, not they choose well because una see say that one do one, una one can still do one. Yeah, my you one not be the day where they bought you, they bought the other one. Don't tell us say you not choose well. Because some Igbo the way they fall for gutter. Some Igbo the way go drink finish, you not go even know yourself. You go come the, boss bass. So before you go inside, choose well. You choose well. I know one, yeah. Or Igbo destroy my brain. Because this brain, if you don't destroy, you know they let them arrange again. Unless you go therapy. Because most of una, now una just enter in the name of say paper. Wawa way. You see those one where they do it for paper, probably no they good and fine. You do and finish, come on for them. You see you way be say, you know what you want go do. Say you want come born one for Igbo. When you don't born finish. Some more Igbo, they not they leave their pikin no. Put her for inside your own way her. Oyibo wearing your Igbo, he no go like leave the pikin for you. He no go leave am for you. He prefer make them kpanya than he go leave the pikin for you. Okay? You see those Oyibo where they leave their pikin say carry go because now you first and say I must born for you. I must born for you. Those ones still there. As they say they do our black. I must born this pikin. You like her, you not like her. They go born put. Later, now then go still they carry they go. Now make them some of them they'll come be single mother. Is it there for Igbo? Nah. Because I said they be Igbo, because I said they get white color. We can't get black color. Now most of una say they like una not they understand. Now make most of una not they understand. So as you now, hope say you choose well. Because this media we no want hear right again say, they can scatter my brain for my hand. We no want hear now. Now make stay first. Look at whether now the real one. Because they see Morocco, they see different one. Oh, they see those one where they fall for gutter. They see those one where be say you go drink finish, you go sleep a bar. They see this different one as they day for black, now so they day for white. Not be we not now human being everybody be. Not only the character. You understand? Now the character. Somebody black, some black they way be say they okay, pass Oyibo. Not be because of say sister do and you want to still do one. Choose well if I hear wrong. Or ye war. Because the one way be say Oyibo first scatter. We never imagine RJ. I will do more by. I say me I can't because I say just the same and I say me I can't tell you. Because we don't need that. Mama need day. Now be that one. I don't tire. Before una go just run go inside because Oyibo they get the way where they take it. I make sure say he love you and you love him back. Una love on herself. Go the sweet they go. Not be say maybe now you get your mission. No, say some of our people have a mission. They get their mission. I'll just go there. I'll just born for her. My pikin will come be citizen. They know if you carry me come out again. Now that one be the mission where some of them get. Why some of them they go with re. Do you understand? You see those one where go with re. You go even notice, you go know, say this one go with 3. You saw those one will not go with 3. And I saw they see those one go, they say na imaro Igbo. Where they go they open it. You see those one, they know they get respect, they not get for the ancestor. Okay, to say the Igbo where they marry. Ideo. Let me can they talk and say, you see those women, now that they bring shame, they come, they give us, we really say we married to white men. You understand? Person we marry with re is different than person we get mission we go there. As he there for black, now say there for whites. Okay? Some of our women then they go for mission. You go there for mission. The man tell them say I don't need pikin. You go tell them say I get belly. Man tell you say no need pikin, you come to tell am say you get belle. What you can concern the belle? You understand? As they say they see am for this side, and say they see am for the other side. The one where you both they go just tell you straight direct. They go just tell you say this relationship we want your friend. Now so some they go say even though say we marry, I no need pikin you. They talk out. I too like them for that thing. Go just tell you say I love you, I want to stay with you, but I no need pikin. So where you are say as you don't marry and you want born pikin with by force, he go abandon that pikin because he not care. Don't fit tell you. Okay. So now be that one. So most of you now where just they run up and down. I want marry Yibo. Because of say sister marry Yibo, make me still marry Yibo. You know whether na black, na God put for there for you. If you go marry Yibo, it not go work because wetin God don't arrange for you. You say because of say sister don't. I know 1 year. Break my head. Don't scatter my brain because you know before you go inside there. Okay? I know 1 year now. Now the mama, the family, they can't scatter my brain. And later you come born for there. Now then you want to call the cocoa your mom. You the crest. You woman here. Only you want to call the cocoa your mom. The pikin not call the see the papa. The papa not call the see the pikin. Woman here. And later you go born for black. The pikin you come the desico. Una not the washer. The pikin you come the desico. You go come there for one corner because you go come look like what here they find for who wear boo a black ina. Most of them not even they read that. So before you go inside all these things, think and well. One of the think and well. Because who they suffer and that pikin one about. You go come the look all, you go come look himself. Now let me be the white way they say here. The rest na black. And not be papa, even though say they call them daddy. Na no school na no say school na. They go they ask and say, I say be your papa. Especially some country go na there. I say be your papa. The man black, you white. Your mama black. So they adopt you. All those things. If they go inside pikin brain, most of them are not they think. More than they think before now they do something. More than they think. Because now they destroy na brain brown na self. Now come they put on for the Oyibo innocent people. I say now they destroy my brain. They can't destroy my brain. And the brain now, gadology. If you don't go therapy, gadology. I know 1 year round. You see this media, we know 1 year round. Okay? So more than why I gave you before now they do something. Anything where you want to do and where. If na black you want carry on. Look on before you go inside. If na white, carry. I do Oyibo tell you say I don't need pikin. Your mother daji if you say na pikin, he go leave you. You go hear when. No be lie. That's so our blood still be. Because most of them they tell women say I don't need pikin. Before you know the woman tell her say I get belle. Man tell you say I don't need. You prevent yourself. You as a woman you go prevent yourself because that man you not go prevent yourself. Now you. Because if you know what may be single mother, now you go come prevent yourself. Say, this man tell me say he no need that. So I don't need that. I say no need that. Make I obey. Now they cause all these things so. So that is that okay, I want marry Oyibo. If I use and finish, I throw one. Make una know the kind Oyibo one even they carry. Choose where. Choose where. If you not choose where, you are on your own. Oyibo get yes. When they say yes, now yes. If they say no, now no. Now you know if you can't go bend your hair for a side, they don't tell you say no, and you can't say you want to tell and say yes. Now only you want to go. Now only you want to go. You will go the pikin. You go never for you. He send you message. You not send you message. So if you like me, you can't they say and get belle. He tell you say when we were just like boyfriend and girlfriend, and when we get married, I told you I don't need it. So why are you not pregnant? You got even they ask you why are you not pregnant? All right, so my people, before you go into marriage, I beg, fair the observe way. We no 1 year say brain scatter for road. So the brain I will still define see so because once brain don't start scatter, gadology or law before you repair. Nah, not be lie. Now you make nobody feel scatter my own. So don't let anybody scatter your own. Don't do what sister do because of say sister do and you want to do. Who tell you say go for you? Who tell you say go for you? When no salon bar manage, I make them choose where. Not choose Oyibo where be say later I go come scatter that your brain. Way small go come scatter them for your hand. You know let you repair. It don't scatter. It don't scatter. Una bye. Choose where. Choose where. Not come tell us say Oyibo scatter your brain. We know what here. Bye bye for now.